Okay, favorite place to travel in the world?
Favorite travel in the world!
Paris.
Paris!
Top selling booze, most popular booze.
Vodka. Beer.
It's Smirnoff.
Vodka.
Favorite dog?
Favorite dog!
What do you think it is?
What do you think it is?
Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever!
No, it's Labrador.
Golden dog!
Best selling gum?
I don't know.
Orbit.
No.
Orbit!
Max, can you be softer, please?
Favorite fish?
Favorite fish!
Salmon.
Salmon!
No, it's shrimp.
Shrimp.
Okay, here's a quick face-off. Democrat or Republican?
Republican.
No, a Democrat.
Democrat!
Bud or Bud Light? Bud Light.
Bud Light.
Cat or dog?
Cat.
Cat. Whole wheat, white.
Whole wheat.
White. Beatles or Stones?
Stones.
Beatles.
Max, can you be a little softer, please?
Favorite drug? Children's Gravel.